Hey y'all, it's your girl Darkskin Queen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Today, y'all, we're doing another food review. If y'all been watching my channel, y'all know I love to eat. And today we did DoorDash with Alfreda Soul Food. So this is how it came, y'all. I am so excited. It is black owned. I'm saying it again. It is black owned. And we finna get into it. I like that though. We finna just snatch the bag open, okay? I think this stuff is weird. So I believe this is the bread. I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, that's a nice thick piece of cornbread. Alright, y'all, these my sides. I got greens. Ooh! Now, why did I do that? Oh no, y'all, we haven't texted the difference. We haven't texted. Okay. Greens. Let's get into it. Okay, there we go. We can see it that way. Okay. This just the rice and gravy. This came with 3 sides, y'all. I love me a 3 sides. The 2 sides give me a little stingy. You know, that's just me. And it's the mac and cheese. Okay, y'all. Now let's get into the main, which is some catfish. If y'all know me, I'm gonna order some catfish. I love me some catfish. And they come with utensils, ketchup, and some hot sauce. Okay, so this is the catfish. I thought the rice was gonna be under it and then, you know, the catfish on top, but you know, that's cool. But we finna get into the taste test, okay? I really didn't need a fork for this catfish, but you know, we're already here. That's good. Okay. Catfish tastes really good, really seasoned. Put a little hot sauce on it. Really don't count if you don't got no hot sauce on it. Now let's get into the sides. We got the mac and cheese, which if y'all been following me, y'all know I love my mac. It's okay. It's different. No, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't having better mac and cheese out here. We gonna keep going. It's different. A little gravy in there. And that's rice and gravy. We really can't mess up rice and gravy. That's cool. Now let's get to the green. Get into the green. Again, let's I like hot sauce on my stuff, so let me see if that makes a difference. It's not too bad. I would put a lot of hot sauce on here though. But if we're doing a scale 1 out of 5, I would give this a 3.5. 3.5. Catfish is really good. Rice and gravy, good. Greens, I just need to put a little hot sauce on there. And this mac and cheese, y'all, I love me some mac and cheese, so I don't know, it's different. Even when you look at it though, I ain't gonna lie. Even when you look at it, it's a little different, but like, it's not bad, it's just not what I thought it was gonna be. It worked. But yeah. Out of a total 3 out of 5, will I go back again? Yes, because it's black owned. Will I go back again? I'm gonna say it again. Yes, because it's black owned. I would support. I would try different sides. I would definitely go back and get this catfish again. But I would try different sides and just see how they taste. But definitely go taste for yourself. But I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna put this on a plate. All the separate stuff, it's a lot. I like my stuff on one big thing. So I'm gonna put this on a plate. I'm gonna tear this up, y'all, and see y'all back for another review.